Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply add the core, that's the core chain, to your Trust wallet. So first of all, we're going to be using the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, and we're going to be using the plus sign, which is here. And in the place of network, we're going to be entering the name, which is going to be core, the symbol, which is going to be core again. Core blockchain is going to be the name, core blockchain. And okay guys, and the links I'm going to be pasting here are going to be their core links. So for here, you're going to be putting in the rpc.core.argo.org, and then for here you're going to be using the scan. All of these are going to be in the description of this video. So you simply click on save, and chain already exists. So I already have this chain, but that's basically how you go about it. And in order to activate that core chain, to activate the network, you simply minimize and open up your OKX app. You open up OKX, and once the OKX app opens up, all you're simply going to do, or all you're simply going to need, is to have some tokens, and that token you're going to use is USDT. So once it's opened up and you've deposited some USDT here, you simply click on this trade, and in the space provided at the top left corner of the screen, you're going to see PLS USDT or whatever token you might have there, and simply search for Core, CROE, Core USDT or Core USDC. They're both the same. So you simply click on Core, and then you enter the amount of USDT. So I probably am entering 0.430, or you might have deposited up to $10. That's 10 USDT, which is equivalent to 12 core. And you simply click on buy core, and then you set your take profit and your stop loss, and you click on confirm, and the trade would be done. You would have your 12 core deposited directly into your account. Once that's done, you simply click on the assets menu. That's after the trade has been confirmed and completed. Click on the assets menu, click on withdraw. The core would be in this list, but since it's not here, you simply search for core, click on this core, click on on-chain, and you're simply entering your core address here, and that would mean you open up your Trust Wallet again. Scroll to the bottom of your tokens menu. That's most likely where it would be. And here we go, core. Simply click on receive, copy this address, open the OKX app again, paste this address. The network would enter on its own, and then you set the amount that it was 12.0 core, and then you simply click on submit, and that's all. So guys, before you can do any of this, you'd need an account on the OKX mobile platform, and with the link in the description of the video, the designated link for the OKX, you could simply register, get your account up to verification level 2 by simply verifying up to that level 2 that you're going to be doing KYC, and you're also going to be depositing $50. By doing all that, you're going to be given mystery boxes or mystery box opportunities worth $10,000, and all you need to do is use our link. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.